Welcome to my video. I'm doing a 500 drawing prompt series. This one is on tractors. Right, getting out my pen, trying out the pen, and it's dry. Swap it out for another pen, using the 0.5 or 0.05. Here I'm drawing the treads for the tractor wheel. Drawing the roof. Drawing another wheel. The treads of the wheel. Okay, I'm drawing the window for the sensor array that sits inside the tractor. The hopper for the saplings that the tractor plants, shading in the window, coloring in the tires, like a brush pen. Shading in the other wheel, leaving a space for a highlight on each of the wheels. Drawing a satellite, adding some details, a warning. Kitty comes for a visit. I'm drawing the tractor from the front view. It's a little bit smaller because I ran out of space because I didn't plan it ahead. Shading in the wheels and coloring in the window. On the front it says danger, to let people know to stay back. And from this view I decided to put 3 other arms so it does more planting at the same time. Okay. And I decided to add in a little close-up of the arm